I just want to show you, this is our Crystaxx Glow Snow White Milk. Amazing feedback from this product. It will give you up to 3 shades lighter. Trust me, fantastic results. It's very good. Newly updated Crystaxx Glow. I added some few other products into it. In skincare, you have to update every now and then. You need to know what and what is in vogue and also in line with the skincare guide. Okay, and yeah, I will add some more rose water into it until I get the consistency I want. So you guys can see, I think I love this consistency, but it's still thick. I'm still gonna add more. Then yeah, stay tuned. Our promo is coming very soon, as well as our training. I'm gonna be announcing that promo is coming up once I get my bottle delivered. I'm just gonna put it out there. Don't miss out. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Great feedback from my product. No complaint, nothing. You get that flawless yellow skin tone, which is what you want. Okay, I love this. See how creamy it is. See, amazing texture. Very creamy and yummy. See, so when we formulate, we go by the skincare guide. You need to follow the skincare guide and formulate product that will be suitable for all skin type, both oily combination, oily skin, those that have got sensitive skin, and those that have got mature skin, all type of skin type, you know. Okay, and if you got dry skin, it will also help, because dry skin brings about sensitivity. That's why we got sensitive skin types. Okay, and yeah, so yeah, we're good to go. I'm gonna bottle up this, and thank you so much, guys. If you haven't subscribe to my channel. Amazing feedback from this product. Trust me, you get up to 3 shades lighter, and which is the recommended skin shade that you require. My Latino white is super active, and also if you still want to get good whitening booster from this product, I recommend you get the super whitening glowing oil to add into it. You can also use that super whitening glowing oil at night, you know. It's very effective. Yeah, to use it, you shake it before you use it. See, very effective product. I love this super whitening glowing oil. And one thing you can also do, you need to exfoliate. Without you exfoliating your skin, you're just wasting your time. You need my Jelly Lightening Face mask as well to help you a lot. Get the lightning shower gel, the Rosary flawless shower gel. Is amazing. Great feedback from this product. Joke about, trust me. And yeah, and also I'll be announcing, like I said, our promo very soon, and as well as the class training. For those of you that have been asking me for training, don't worry about it. People have trained and have helped out. They can testify to this. Okay, yeah, okay, bye guys, thank you.